Hey guys, we got a big bag here full of goodies, and I've always wanted to do this since I've worked at PDM Financial. Madison and I are giving these out today, just saying thank you for doing what you do. Thanks so much. Happy Thanksgiving. Truckers, owner-operators, carriers, we so appreciate you. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, this is a flatbed. Happy Thanksgiving.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. This is PDM Financial. We just wanted to say thank you for doing what you're doing.
Thank you, dear.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey, thanks for doing what you're doing. You're welcome. It makes you feel so good to give away, right? I love this. I would love it if I ran into one of my owner-operators here. Thanksgiving, and thank you for doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you for doing what you do, and happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on, Jasmine.
All right, we got to go get warm now. I got to sit in the car for about 3 minutes and thaw out.
We're kind of in the middle of a snowstorm here, but truckers need love too, so that's why we're out.
All right, here we go. How you doing?
Hi, we're from PDM Financial. We just wanted to say thank you for doing what you do and happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, well, thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving.
I want to say thank you for doing what you're doing. Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey! Hi, we're from PDM Financial. We just wanted to say thanks for doing what you're doing and happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I know what you guys do.
We're from PDM. We wanted to say happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
I'm soaking wet. Hey! Thank you for doing what you do. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Hey, we're from PDM Financial. We just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. We're from PDM Financial. We're just saying happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Thanks for doing what you're doing and happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Oh, he's eating McDonald's, my favorite, number 9. Oh, haven't eaten lunch yet. You're welcome. You're welcome. Guys, after this, I'm gonna need to sit by the fire and warm up because I'm freezing. It's freezing. Only in Iowa, I swear. Wasn't it 78 degrees yesterday? Happy Thanksgiving. There's a little gift bag.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You too. Thank you. Hey, we're from PDM Financial. We just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving from PDM Financial.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh, you guys. Thank you so much to all our owner-operators out there for everything you do. Have a happy Thanksgiving.